Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make app folders on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you want to make application folder just like this, where you combine multiple apps together or put multiple applications together in the same folder, then this is what you simply need to do. What you need to do is go ahead, press and hold the application you want to combine together. And then once everything is wiggly, just drag it on the other application you want to make a folder with. So go ahead, repeat this on all the applications where you want to make a folder with. To have them like that, just keep dragging them on one another. And then this is going to create a folder for your apps. And once you're done, click on done. Now to access this application, all you need to do is go to where the folder is located. Click on the folder, then you should see have the application like this. Now, if you want to create another one, repeat the same thing. And that's it. So that's exactly how to make app folders on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.